Hi, Old Fuzzface here. In our last episode, we harvested 84 heads of garlic. It's the biggest crop we've ever had. Now it's been curing for about 3 weeks, and we think it's ready. It's time to finish the job, trimming the roots, cutting the tops, and cleaning it off so that it's ready for storage. This is one of the oldest preservation skills in this section of the Piedmont. Families around here hung garlic in sheds just like ours, letting the summer air dry it before trimming it for winter use. It's simple, it's reliable, and it still earns its keep. Later on in this video, I'll explain why my garlic is sorted into 3 size groups. I think the reason why will be helpful in improving your crops in the years to come. I'll show you how to make your garlic last all the way to harvest time next year. So let's head out to the woodshed and see if the garlic is cured long enough. We'll trim it, clean it, and get it ready for the next stage. You're watching The Practical Man, where old farmhouse skills still earn their keep, just like they did in this region for generations. Garlic tells you when it's ready. The stem should be fully papery, the outer wrappers dry and rustling, and the roots brittle enough to crumble. A cured bulb feels firm, not soft, not damp. Root trimming is quick and satisfying. I cut 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the base. Removing the roots keeps the bulbs clean and reduces moisture pockets, something farmhouse families paid close attention to long before refrigeration. Next, I trim the tops. Here at Serendipity Farmhouse, I trim hardneck garlic stems about 3 to 4 inches above the bulb. That's a little longer than what modern guides recommend, but it's the way farmhouse families did it. Leaving a longer neck protects the bulb, keeps the wrapper intact, and gives me a cleaner, safer cut. A gentle brushing removes loose dirt. I only take off the outermost wrapper, just enough to tidy the bulb without exposing the inner layers. This is the same polish farmhouse kitchens use to prepare garlic for pantry storage. Once the garlic is trimmed and cleaned, it's time for a little bit of old farmhouse common sense. I sort my garlic into 3 groups: large, medium, and small. The large bulbs are saved for seed garlic. That's how we keep improving our crop year after year. The small bulbs are the first to be used in the kitchen. Then the medium bulbs carry us through fall. Anything left in October gets fermented, and that batch lasts all the way into June or July. Try it out, see how it works for you. And if you have some tips for me, make a comment below.